Well, my name is Susan, and I'm here at Thrive Health Systems. I'm super excited because I'm finally starting to reach my goal weight. I never thought that I could lose the weight that I have lost. I've always felt bloated, I've always felt inflamed. And I always felt like this was my lot in life as an African American woman. But after coming to Thrive, I realized that that's not the case. When I saw Dr. Sarah, I was able to get a detox, get on a diet plan, and get on just a regular regimen. And as a result, I'm starting to see the results, and I'm super excited. I never thought it was possible. We are currently also working on my keloids, and I'm excited about that as well. Just getting my body up to its optimal best is what I originally came here for, and as a result, my friends, my family, my colleagues are seeing the results, and I'm referring them as well to get the results that I'm getting. So I'm just super excited, and I never dreamed this could happen, and I'm actually glad that I was brought to Dr. Sarah. So I'm grateful.